Hi my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested to know how I made this beautiful plate of noodles, please subscribe, watch further, like this video and leave me an amazing comment, and I'm going to show you how I created this delicious plate of sumptuousness. So as you can see, my pot of water is boiling. I'm using my mustard noodles. I'll quickly pour it into the pot and I'm going to allow this to cook for 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, my noodles is boiling. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to quickly stir this and take it off the heat and prep it for the main cooking. I turned it into my strainer and I'm just going to allow that to strain while I pour in some water into the pot and allow this to boil. So darlings, while waiting for the water to boil, I put my pan on fire. I have very little oil in it. I'm going to scramble my egg into the pan. Eggs are beginning to form, so I'll just, lightly do this. My eggs are nicely scrambled. Just gonna allow this to fry a bit while I attend to my boiling water. So my boiling water, I'm going to add some curry, very little guys. I'm going to add the spices of my noodles. I have to take this off the fire. I'm going to add my noodles to this. So in my pan, I just added little oil. I'm going to quickly add my sausages. I'm going to add my little snail. Then I'm going to toss this slightly just for it to the sausage to cook. But the snail is already cooked. Just to toss this lightly for the sausages to cook. And I'll check on my noodles quickly. Yeah, you can see that the water is beginning to dry off gradually. So I'm going to reduce this heat and allow it to cook tenderly on its own. Because I want everything to get ready at the same time. Then I'm going to go in with my leftover beef. So I made a video of how I use goat meat to make fried yam and peppered goat meat. I kept some that I'll use for whenever I want to use. So my noodles has dried. I'm going to turn off the heat and just cover this and wait for my stir fries to be ready. So this has nicely fried. I'm going to quickly take it off the heat and fry the rest of the thing. I'm going to go in with tomatoes. Fry that on a low heat. I'm going to add very little salt. I'm going to be adding half of star maggi, that's a bouillon cube. And I'm going to just stir this. This is just to fry the tomatoes and make it a bit dry. That's fine very well. So I've added red pepper and green pepper. I'm just going to mix this and stir this very well. As this is fine, I'm going to quickly throw in my proteins. I have purple cabbage and onions. Just because I do not want my veggies to be unfresh. So just because I don't want my veggies to be unfresh, I'm going to quickly put my noodles inside. And I'm going to give this an amazing stir. And there you go, guys. Your noodle is beginning to take shape. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, my love, you're gonna miss out on some exciting recipes that I'm gonna bring to this channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Just subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell me if you would like to have a taste of this. While this is going, I'm going to add my bell peppers. If you would like to have a taste of this noodle, then I just set my home address so you know and make it when you're coming, so you have yours hot and fresh. Please give this video a like because I know you like what you see on your screen right now. My loves, my darling, thank you so much for watching my channel till now. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah.